Hi everyone, Scott Cole, Certified Financial Planner here at Cole FP, and it's tax season. As you get ready to get your information to send to your tax preparer, or even if you're going to try to do it yourself, I want to briefly talk about 4 things that you need to be aware of that can help you or your tax preparer get your 2023 taxes right. April 15th is going to get here a lot faster than you realize. So I'm going to strongly suggest that you go ahead and start the process of getting ready for 2023 taxes. You're going to have documents coming in, of course, over the next several weeks. As they come in, set them aside, stay organized, and don't wait to the last minute to start your tax preparation and tax filing. As I tell my kids, if something has to be done eventually, it probably should be done immediately. So there are 4 things that you need to be thinking about right now as you get ready to file your 2023 taxes. First off, we just sent our clients an email about this as a reminder, but if you are contributing to an IRA and maybe you haven't done so yet for 2023, it's not too late. In fact, you have until April 15th of 2024 to make a contribution for 2023. So don't fret, get that money in that IRA before you file your taxes. Remember, you can contribute up to $6,500 into a Roth or a traditional IRA. And if you're 50 or older, you can put an additional $1,000 away. There are some income restrictions, so if you're concerned about that, talk to your tax preparer and they will help you figure out what you can or can't put in. But contributing to that IRA will help your taxes or help build your wealth, so make sure you get it done by April 15th. The second consideration you're going to want to make, if you're like me and you have to file estimated taxes, you got to remember that your first quarter estimated taxes just happens to be the same time that you have to pay your 2023 taxes. So it's very possible that you have to make an estimated tax payment and a 2023 tax liability payment. What you don't want to do is you don't want to lump those together, because the IRS might get those confused as to which one is being credited to what, and then you're going to spend time later straightening it out. So just plan on making 2 different payments if you pay estimated taxes and also have a 2023 tax liability. Remember, time is money. The third thing I want to talk about relates to qualified charitable distributions. Now, this doesn't relate to everyone. Only those who have required minimum distributions from retirement accounts can even do qualified charitable distributions, or otherwise known as QCDs. But we see so many problems with these on tax returns that we review that I thought I'd bring it up here. If you do a QCD, you need to be sure to let your tax preparer know that you've done so. They can't tell necessarily from a 1099 if it was a qualified charitable distribution or not. So make sure that you have the receipts and talk to them about how much needs to be reported as taxable income from an IRA. And that would may be different than the total distribution from your IRA. If you're doing it this yourself, all the more reason to be careful about how you report your qualified charitable distributions. Finally, one of the best things that you can do with regards to tax preparation for this year's taxes is just take last year's tax return and spend a few minutes just looking over it. Tax returns are incredibly informative, and you will be amazed at how just taking a couple of minutes to review will remind you and refresh your memory on forms that you're going to need, tax deductions that you can take, or credits that you're qualified for. So take a couple of minutes, pull out the old folder from 2022, look over that tax return, and make sure that you have everything in order as you get ready to send your 2023 stuff off to your tax preparer or get ready to do it yourself. When you have your 2023 taxes complete and you'd like to discuss your tax situation, we'd love to speak with you. You can message us through the form below, or you can schedule an appointment at www.colefp.com. Good luck with the taxes, and thanks for watching.